Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to Jira Service Desk. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Jira Service Desk you can create requests based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the Ecwid data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Jira Service Desk as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Create Request. Now you need to connect your Jira Service Desk account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your email and password for your Jira Service Desk. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Jira Service Desk account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Now you need to specify the project and request type to which new requests will be sent. After selection, you will see fields with a description of the request. To add a variable, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. To move to the next line, use Enter. When all the required data is assigned to the fields, click Continue. Now you see an example of the data that will be sent to the Jira Service Desk as a new request when a new order comes from Ecwid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to the Jira Service Desk. After successful submission, go to the Jira Service Desk to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the data ingestion setup in the Jira Service Desk has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the interval for the connection, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.